So here we have the new backscene, which is a royalty free panoramic image downloaded off the internet, printed onto A4 sheets of paper using Microsoft Paint and pasted onto the wooden backscene using wallpaper paste. There is the second backscene, which is more mountainous and gives an excellent excuse for the railway to terminate. In front are a couple of cardboard mock-up tunnel mouths which will be replaced by Langley models O-gauge model kits, tunnel mouth kits. On the right is a mock-up of a disused bridge, so it won't have a top on it. Now here is where I had to paste the back scenes together. I used a program called Gimp to do that, and this one here, you see from here to here is a mirror image of this one to this one here. I've pasted this one a little bit lower than this one, so if you look here, these treetops are here and look like a hedge. I've used some watercolour paints to disguise the fact that the trees look exactly the same on both sides. I've also painted out some of the rocks in the foreground, moved them around using Gimp. It's not difficult to do, it's an excellent program. And also the sky is completely different as well, because I've pasted all the clouds in, and I think I've blended it in quite nicely to the mountainous back scene. That's really nice. Well pleased with that. There's no wrinkles or creases like there was on the old one. It's nice and bright. So wherever you keep your images, these are panoramic images, what you need to do is choose a right click and then go down to open with, and then you'll find Paint for Microsoft Windows. It will then load it in, and the next thing to do is to go to page setup, and then you'll see here, down here, you see the whole image is in landscape. Well, I want it in portrait, so now it's even smaller. What you need to do is to obviously make your margins a little smaller. I won't bother just at the moment. Go down to adjust to, and then you can click on that and delete it completely. Then you want to be going to say 80 for a start. No, that's too small, so we need like 150. No, that's too small. We're going to need at least 200. Oh no, a bit more than that. 290. Oh no, more than that. We're going to be 310. Oh no, we're not. It's going to be 350. That's probably just about right. And then we go to back up to, where is it gone, little so and so. Print preview. There we go, and that is it. Now we go up to here, and next page, next page, next page, next page. That'll go all the way along, and I've made it a little bit too big, so you need to reduce it a little bit. So what we'll do is we'll put it to say 348, and that will try again. No, still not right. It's going to be 346. And try again. Oh, no, still not right. Bloody thing. We'll do it this time. There we go. That's it. Didn't do it that time. 344. I've just got to get it right, otherwise your printer prints off all those extra pages as well. That's it, it won't go anymore. Won't go anymore, look. The arrow won't go anymore. So now we go back to the first one and we can then print using the whole lot. Print your selected printer and it will print page range, all of them, a number of copies, and then that will print to everything. And that's it, that's how you print the panoramic images. That's it. And that is mine. And the next one, as you can see, that's the right hand one on the back scene, model railway, and that is the right hand one, sorry, left hand one. And paste it in just here nicely. Load that up there like that. You can just see it's a little bit blurred there, but when you blow it up to this scale you can see all the editings where you've pasted it in. It's not too bad though.